How to fix archive option not showing on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can fix archive option not showing on Instagram. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, look for the save story to archive settings and enable it. Instagram allows you to save your stories to the archive by default. And if this settings is disabled, the archive option won't appear. So to do that, you have to open up Instagram in your mobile device. Now head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right. Once you're on your profile page, tap on the three-line icon at the top right. Here tap on archive. Tap on the three dot at the top right and now tap on settings. Once you're here, make sure the save story to archive option is toggled on. Enabling this setting will save your future stories to archive, making them accessible later. If this still does not help you, and make sure your application is updated. Outdated or corrupt application version can cause features to the malfunction, so make sure it is updated. Head over to the Play Store in your device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right. Now search for Instagram and check for any available update. If it is available, install it. And if this still does not help you, clear application cache. For that, you have to head over to your application. All you have to do is tap and hold on it. Tap on App Info. Here tap on Storage and Cache, then tap on Clear Cache. Clearing the application cache can resolve minor glitches. After you do that, head back to your Instagram, refresh the application, and your problem will be solved. So that's the way to fix archive option not showing issue on Instagram, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.